Hi, I'm Lauren Reynolds with At Home Nursing Care. We have been providing home care and home health in Southern California since 2010, and I'm very happy to recommend Nick for social media and marketing services. We hired Nick for one on one consultations about a year ago. I learned about him from a home care owners networking group, and I really liked what he had to say during a group webinar. So I contacted him and we started to work one on one. And we were already an agency that was pretty advanced in terms of YouTube and social media and our website, but we knew we needed to improve. And so, what Nick did is he collaborated with us on a biweekly basis, basically to organize and streamline our social media presence, to make it more forward facing for our customers and also to help us with hiring by, for example, recommending we get testimonials from our awesome employees, which we did, which really allowed us to show applicants how our current staff feels about working with us in an effort to attract new applicants. The other thing that I really have appreciated is his one on one meetings with us on a biweekly basis, which helps to keep our leadership team accountable for the tasks that we say we're going to do to make sure that when we talk to him, we have reports on what we've been working on and the successes that we've had, and maybe some issues that have come up. And he's been able to help us resolve some of those issues, more technical aspects of Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. He's also a good person, and I really appreciate working in this industry with people I feel are ethical and honest and kind-hearted and doing business for the right reasons. And so I have really enjoyed his partnership, and I highly recommend him.